Hey guys, Horacio here from CWO Plays TCG. Today I have a Magic the Gathering Deck Builder Toolkit here to open up, so this is going to be really fun. Let's right into it. First one at the back. It comes with 15 card booster packs from the recent sets, 100 basic land and Builder's Guide, 125 cards from its recent sets, and then it's just a reusable box. It's just to help. This is really to help people who want to start playing Magic. It's really just to help them. So let's get right into opening it. The camera. So it's not gonna cheat anything. I want to do this more often, but I don't really have money for it. There. Guide, which just tells you how to fill it in and everything. So, down the back, this, back to the side, the sick Magic box. Never opened one since. It's the fun part. Yep. So we got 4 boxes. Oh. Cards. It's just trash. It's useful. So, this I'm gonna go through everything. Hopefully, if I have time. There we go. Oh. Excellent. Here's the land. There's for cards. I'm not gonna go through. 4 packs. So we have a core, 4 sparks. Let's just the core. I have to work this. I want to keep them. I don't know how Magic works. Well, I don't know how to play the game or anything. I just don't know how to. So that's token. Over there. I guess just. Okay. So it's Sorcerer of the Fang, Steadfast Sensory, Bone Splinters, Epicure of Blood, Anvil Rot Raptor, Leafkin Druid, Reckless Airstriker, Octoprophet, Prophet, Gorging Vulture, Brightwood Tracker, Meteor Golem, Bloodthirsty Aerialist, Howling Giant, Wake Root Elements is the rare. Okay, so it's 1 then. Okay, so that works. That's cool. So I guess that's rare. Yeah, it says rare right there. It's just a normal rare. I'm just gonna, like I say, I'm just gonna sit back there. It's here. More sparks. Yes, and it's the front stuff with green and bottom. Sorry. So it's Zombie Army's token. And 1. Yep. Put that out of here. Pouncing Lynx, sorry. Stealth Mission. Honor of the God Pharaoh. Soren's Thirst. Crawl Stinger. There's a Reaver. Defiant Strike. Visionary. Guild Globe. Chandra's Prohelix. Oh god, that was weird. Jeans. Pride Mate. Sorry if I butcher after these names. I I'm bad at reading. Interplanar Beacon, and then Varsha Swarms Emis, which is the legendary planeswalker, and then the rare is Dread Horde Invasion. And some planeswalker, I'm gonna set it there. These out here. That's right there. Then tokens. One. Whoops. Okay. Front. So we have Storm Strike, Bring the Trial, Coral Commando, Mammoth Spider, Undersea Scavenger, Clear the Mind, Raptor Demon, Skewer the Critics, Blade Brand, Titanic Brawl, Clear the Stage, Rectus Firewheeler, Rumbling Ruin, and then the rare is the Simic Ascendancy. So we have one more pack, and you gotta go through 120 extra cards. Kind of front, but doesn't matter what the. Oh, that's it. So get rid of that. Sorry about that, guys. I accidentally ran out of storage, but back to it. We have Dazzling Lights, Fire Urchant, Ledev Guardian, Disdainful Stroke, Never Happened, Crushing Canopy, Rosemane Centaur, Izzet Locket, Deadly Visit, Ironshell Beetle, Molderhawk, Chemister's Insight, World Soul Colossus, and the rare is Swiftblade Vindicator. There's those. So I don't know if we had anything good or not. So sorry about that. Again, I don't know. Just tell me in the comments. I'm really lost. But rares. These are rares. I don't know what's good with that. So we got those, and then one that's in a Planeswalker. Let's open this paper. Should I keep these? Yeah, it's still a dude for trash. I'd say it would be little trash bag. And then the Aggressive Mammoth, Shivan Dragon, Gravewalker, Riddlemaster Sphinx, Sarah's Guardian. We have a bunch of. It's just a second. I'm so confused. Those are rares. Then we have Critical Idea, Quench, Disdainful Stroke, Impassioned Orator, then Plains. I'm gonna take out all the okay. So it's just the cards. Pacifism, Raise the Alarm. So then there's the Alarm. Law Rune Enforcer, Ironroot Warlord, Creeping Trailblazer, Orc Sagebreaker, Tomb-Bound Lynch, Emanarine Eagle, and then Scuttlemutt. That's on the cards, minus these all lands. Well, yeah, lands. So that's gonna be it for this opening. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys later.